In the wild, every tool in your arsenal needs to be as tough and versatile as you are. Today, we're diving into a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts, the Gerber Gear Pack Hatchet. Hey, adventurers! Welcome back to where we explore the gear that makes the great outdoors even greater. If you're a camper hunter, hiker, or just a survivalist at heart, you're going to want to stick around for this. The Gerber Gear Pack Hatchet isn't just any hatchet. It's a compact powerhouse designed for the modern explorer. With a 3.5-inch steel blade and full tang construction, this hatchet promises durability and reliability when you need it most. Mark Pernick says it delivers an impressive amount of function. Its exaggerated finger grooves offer incredible edge control, making it perfect for detailed work and precise cuts. And it doesn't stop there. The pack hatchet is praised for its portability and versatility. Coming with a mountable nylon sheath, you can easily attach it to your pack or belt. Plus, the rubber overmold grip ensures comfort and a steady hand through every swing. Garen E. Sarah Cooper highlight its strength and lightweight nature, making it an ideal companion for carving and delimbing. They, along with many others, appreciate the quality carrying case, ensuring your hatchet is safe and sound when on the move. Its size and weight are perfect, fitting nicely in your hand, as noted by our customers. The sharpness of the blade takes on small jobs with ease, while its balance and comfortable grip make it a go-to for all your outdoor chores. The Gerber Gear Pack Hatchet is more than just a tool, it's a survival partner that won't let you down. For those who demand the best in quality, portability, and performance, look no further. Ready to elevate your outdoor gear? Check out the link in the description to grab your Gerber Gear Pack Hatchet today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gear reviews and outdoor adventures. Until next time, stay wild.